But I think what lies at the heart of that question is obviously how has consumer behaviour changed? The way that we used to watch content is obviously quite different from the way that we do it today. And as such, one of the challenges is how do we measure that viewership? Because obviously what we're actually doing is watching content, the same content at different points and different times, and therefore if you use traditional measures, you're getting huge fragmentation, and that represents a challenge, particularly in terms of monetization. If we look at the uncertainty that sort of fragmentation brings, at the end of the day, if you don't have concrete data that supports the volume and the mass of an audience, then clearly that has an impact on content production. But what we are seeing, I think the key question is really how do you get back some of it? Obviously you can measure it better, which means looking at cross-platform metrics. But the other way is obviously how do you use the data that one's actually gathering about individual consumer behavior, and how does one monetize that? And obviously to some degree, how does one ensure that one is getting a greater sort of stickiness with the consumer? And that's where we see second screen strategies coming into play. How do content developers, how do content owners, distributors actually use the second screen to enhance the consumer's attention to that content?